Why are there not more people talking about growing their own medicinal herbs? It's easier than you think. Introducing the Medicinal Garden Kit. It's your all-in-one solution to start your very own herbal apothecary right at home. Imagine stepping into your garden and plucking fresh, natural remedies for those everyday ailments. This kit's got everything you need. We're talking basil for headaches, chamomile for stress, and peppermint for indigestion, all packed into one delightful box. But wait, there's more. Each kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions that even a novice gardener can handle. And the seeds? They're of the highest quality, guaranteeing lush, vibrant plants every time. Think of the money you'll save on those pricey over-the-counter meds. Plus, there's the satisfaction of knowing exactly where your remedies come from. No pesticides, no chemicals, just pure, natural goodness. And let's not forget the joy of gardening itself. It's therapeutic, relaxing, and a wonderful way to connect with nature. Plus, you'll have the coolest garden in the neighborhood. So why wait? Grab your Medicinal Garden Kit today and start your journey to a healthier, greener lifestyle. Your future self will thank you. Order now and let the magic of medicinal gardening begin. Happy planting!